Go kids, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z.
A for apple, red and sweet. A for airplane, flying fleet.
B for ball,
Rolling fast.
C for bag of school at last.
C for car, driving far. C for chair, that's what they are. D for doll, cute and small. E for door, strong and tall. E for egg, round and white. E for vellum, paper so light. F for fan, blowing air. F for flower, B to share. G for glass, clear to see. G for guitar, play with me. H for hat, on my head. H for house, where we are fed. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. I for iron, making toes neat. J for jug, full of juice. J for jacket, what's its use? K for kite, flying high. K for key to open, oh my. L for lamp, shining bright. L for leaf, green and light. M for mirror, what a face. M for map, showing place. N for net, catching fish. N for needle, sewing dish. O for orange, juicy round. O for oven, cooking sound. P for pen, writing neat. P for plate, where we eat. Q for quilt, cozy bed. Q for queen, crown on head. R for ring, shiny new. R for radio, music too. S for sun, shining bright. S for spoon, morning and night. T for table, strong and wide. T for toy, play with pride. U for umbrella, in the rain. U for uniform, neat and plain. V for van, moving slow. V for vase, flowers grow. W for watch, ticking time. W for window, view so fine. X for xylophone, music play. X for x-ray, bones on display. Y for yogurt, creamy white. Y for yacht, sailing light. Z for zip, open and close. C for zero, that's how it goes. Now clap your hands, shout with glee. We learn letters A to Z. Now clap your hands, shout with glee. We learn letters A to Z. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. I for iron, making clothes neat. J for jug, full of juice. J for jacket, what's its use? J for jug, full of juice. J for iron, making clothes neat. L for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for hero, that's how it goes. Now clap your hands, shout with glee. We learn letters